if you with it.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today guys, we are going to do prank. I've been calling my friends pretending to have stomach pain, and I have fake farts on my phone, and I'll be praising them, and they hear the sound and they feel like it's real. So guys, that's what we are going to do today. I'm going to just call them and pretend. Guys, that sound is weird. That, like, I don't know even if it can ever be like that. Too much. So guys, that's it for today. That's what we're going to do, and I miss you guys so much. Love you. If this is the first time meeting this born beautiful lady from South Sudan, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like, and let me know which part of the video was your favorite. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait for the video now. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm not okay. How are you? Huh?
Welcome for tea.
Thank you. My dear, I don't even want to eat. You know, my ulcer started like yesterday. Okay, for the last 2 days. Then yesterday it was bad. I had to go to the hospital. Then they gave me some medicine, and now the medicine is causing me some kind of stomach ache, and my stomach is full of gases. I cannot even control. Did you hear that? Hello?
What is the side effect of the medicine?
But it's becoming too much and it's even paining. I cannot even control myself. I wanted to travel today to Dose of Mom, but how will I be traveling like this, farting anyhow, and the sound is weird and the smell. Ooh. Hello?
Maybe you can monitor yourself for today, then if you're okay, tomorrow you'll travel.
But what do you suggest I do now? Is there medicine for fat to stop them? Or you think I can go back to the hospital? Hmm?
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
I do what? I go to hospital, or I just stay inside? Because it has been like this since yesterday. You remember I was calling you. I wanted to tell you because I was feeling so bad. I did not even know I was going to wake up this morning because I've never felt like this before.
Now the gas in your stomach is coming out.
Eh? Even right now, I'm just in the toilet. I cannot even stay in the bedroom. Anytime, just coming. But even there's nothing. We feel like going, but nothing. Just fat and fat and fat.
Yeah. For today you first monitor. Then if it's not improving, then tomorrow you can go to the hospital. You can go back to them.
Okay. But do you think it's normal?
Yeah. It's normal. The moment I already got the bad gas in your stomach.
Okay. Can I video call you?
Yeah, I'm looking for that medicine.
Oh, well, you're looking for this medicine. Can I video call you?
Yeah.
Turn your video on, my friend.
Okay. Okay, let me turn on.
Okay. Is it Jennifer, my friend? Why taking forever? Guys, you see this guy? She's not serious. She's telling me that it's normal. She's even... Oh my goodness, she's looking for that medicine. Let me call her to tell her that it's her friend. Oh shit. Guys, this one was trying to like calm me, make me feel like... She's trying to make me feel better. Like you think it's normal, telling me it's normal. I'm sure she's serious. She's telling me that she's also looking for that medicine. How on earth do you want to be fighting with that? Guys, she's for breakfast. She's not picking it. She will call at her one time, so let's leave her now. Anyaka, what happened to the video phone?
Hello?
What happened to the video?
Oh yeah, I'm still stuck.
Okay, I just want to tell you that's a joke. My answer is there, but it's only causing me headache, dizzy, and other things, but not this stomach. This is just fake fats on phone. This is not me.
Even I'm looking for that medicine.
Ewa, you're not serious. And do you know that I'm recording? Because I'm going to put this on my YouTube. Guys, this girl is not serious. Imagine she's looking for this medicine. How on earth will somebody want to fart like this? Girl, eat your breakfast. I'm going to get back to you. I'm traveling today. Enjoy your food.
All the dance in your stomach. Even I'm looking for it.
Serious? I thought you want to just make me feel better, but you really wanted it.
No.
Who? God, though.
Even I'm looking for it.
Okay, enjoy your food. I'll call you back.
Okay, let's start take breakfast. All right. Oh, hope you have taken.
I've not taken. Mine is waiting for me. I'm going to take right now.
All right. Okay.
Guys, we are about to call Gilbert. Here is the name. Gilbert is my Kenyan friend also, guys. Let me call him. I already asked, can I call you? And he's like, yeah. Now I'm going to sound dead so let's go. Let's do this, guys. Gilbert. Hope you guys can see Gilbert.
No, madam.
Hello.
Okay, madam.
Okay, boss, how are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm not fine.
What's wrong?
No, my ulcer started me like for the last 2 days, and it was bad, so I had to go to the hospital yesterday. And when I went there, they gave me some medicine because they are like, I have a lot of acids in my stomach. So I don't know. Now, I don't know if it is the side effect or what. It caused me a kind of stomach ache. And my stomach is full of gases. I cannot even control. Like even I'm just staying in the washroom. You say?
Which type of the medicine was that?
I don't even know. This is a medicine I've not seen before. I've never seen this medicine. Yeah.
So then you can go back to the same hospital and tell them and experience it.
You think I can go back to the hospital?
Yeah, you explain to them the side effects you've been experiencing.
But now I'm scared, like this farting thing. How will I sit in the border like that with strangers on the road, even in the hospital? Because this thing just come anyhow, I cannot control.
On the border, it is making noise. Who will hear you?
No. Look at you. What about in the hospital when I reach there?
Yeah, release it. You release it. This is a call of nature.
It's abnormal. You know.
You sick. You did not take the contact medicine. Contact phone number for the hospital.
I think it should be there in the card or something. I should check.
You check the card, then you can give them a call and explain to them.
Okay. Let me call them, then I'll get back to you. Yeah. Huh?
You going?
You said what? Hello?
Hello?
What were you saying? Guys, let's call him back now that it is a prank. Oh my god. This one is not even reacting to it, but he's now advising me to go back to the hospital and this and that. Ew. Calling him back on video. Hello.
I'm asking you,
You said what?
Where are you?
I'm in Kampala. Okay, let me shock you.
Are you in Juba?
Can you see that? I'm in Kampala. Can you see that? Are you seeing that? Can you see that? Look at my screen. Damn it. Network.
I can't even hear you.
Okay, I'm saying Hello?
Hello?
I'm saying do you see my screen? Guys, network is bad. Let me call him on voice, then I just tell him it's a prank. This is dragging it. Network is bad. And this is Wi-Fi. This boy just eating my money for no good reason. What happened? He went offline or something? Woo, guys. This guy went offline. Okay, anyway.
You'll be cast on earth and in heaven as well.
Hey, Mr. Caster, I got you. Come and skin me alive. Last time you warned me and I'm like,
on earth and in heaven.
Why?
So you've been recording?
No. I was trying to show you my screen. If you can see that I was recording, I'm like, can you see my screen when I video called you? I wanted to tell you it's the prank, but you are not seeing, I guess. But were you hearing those sounds? Hello? Tell me. This network. My God. Guys, network is just connecting. Anyway, guys. It's coming me. He didn't know it was a prank, so we got him.
Madam, diarrhea will catch you. We'll see.
God forbid now. Okay, wait. What does it sound normal when you are hearing it?
Yeah, it does.
Ewo. So you thought it was real? And why did you react to it?
Yeah?
Why were you pretending instead of saying something like weird or feeling like irritated? Network, guys. I expected you to cut the call or something.
Why would I cut the call?
It was weird.
It is not.
Ewo. So if I do it in real life, you keep quiet.
Yeah?
If I'm to do it in real life, you'll keep quiet.
Why would I?
Jesus. Anyway, thank you.
It is very normal. Oh, my friend, diarrhea and partying, all these are a call of nature. They are very normal.
So you think I'm that comfortable to even embarrass myself like that on phone, my Jesus?
So where are you putting this video? You are bringing it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Have you sent me? I want to hear myself.
Okay, I'll send you before posting it. I'll send you.
Yeah.
Okay, nice day.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Next time I'll be careful.
Hey, you will not know. I always know how to come.
It's okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay, you be there. Bye, good day. Guys, this guy again is saying it's no more. Him and Jennifer, I don't know. No more. Going to let me home is going to pick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Good and you?
I'm not fine.
What happened with the voice?
My dear, my ulcer started yesterday. My ulcer started yesterday and
Yes.
I went to the hospital. They gave me some medicine and now I don't know if it is the side effect or what. It's causing me like my stomach hurts and I don't even understand. Yeah.
So what kind of medicine did they give you?
I have not even seen this medicine before. They said it's for ulcers. They said I have a lot of acid in my stomach. They were like, it's going to reduce. Going to let me home is going to pick.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Good and you?
I'm not fine.
What happened with the voice?
My dear, my ulcer started yesterday. My ulcer started yesterday and
Yes.
I went to the hospital. They gave me some medicine and now I don't know if it is the side effect or what. It's causing me like my stomach hurts and I don't even understand. Yeah.
So what kind of medicine did they give you?
even seen this medicine before. They said it's for ulcers. They said I have a lot of acid in my stomach. They were like, it's going to reduce. Yeah.
Maybe I think you need to go back.
So I should go back?
Yeah, you need to go back to the clinic or the hospital. Which hospital?
It's Case Clinic. Sorry, okay, let me call you back. Eh? You wanted to say something? Hello? What were you saying?
Hello?
Yes, you wanted to say something.
Yeah. What I'm saying, yeah, I was asking, I said, how were you feeling before when you went to the hospital? You were feeling some stomach problem, your stomach getting hit up on your chest.
I was just feeling this strong heartburn and my back was hurting like the normal ulcers. And it was bad, like for 2 days I was tolerating it, so I decided to go to the hospital. Then now, instead it's not causing me more harm than before. Okay. Let me call you back. Guys, he pretended like nothing. Hey, whoa. What kind of friends with these ones now? Hey, Jesus. Guys, the friends I got, the male. Yesterday I called George, he's a Kenyan. I called him and guys, I have some of the footage, but what I hate was you cannot hear his voice, but to some extent, like the whole prank, it did not record itself. I don't know what happened to the phone I put on the screen recorder. That guy acted cool until when I told him it is a prank, and he was wondering how can a human being sound like that. Like this guy is doing the same, so Jesus. Okay, let me call him back. He's not picking. He's not picking. Hello?
Yes. Hi.
I'll be going now. But I'm even scared of now. How will I be traveling in public like this? You know, my stomach is having a lot of gases and I cannot even control it. Yeah, so I don't know.
Where's the medicine? Where's the medicine?
You said what?
Where's the medicine? I said, let me see the medicine.
Guys, look at him. He believed me. I got you. It's a prank, man. But why are you hearing that sound?
Which sound? No, I'm not hearing it.
Look at him.
No, come on here.
Eh? I was just playing with you. Wait.
What out of my face now?
You are not hearing it?
Eh?
You are not hearing that sound?
What is that? Oh yeah.
It was a fake, like fat sound, eh? Like just fake one. I was playing it on my screen.
Hey, now look at this one. Eh?
But does it sound real?
Yeah, that's your voice. Huh? Ah.
I was just playing with you. It's a prank. I'm fine. Okay, I have ulcers, but it's not that bad. The medicine is all causing me like headache or dizzy, something like that, but not stomach ache.
Okay.
That was not me. Have a nice day.
Okay, now this thing will be on.
More are coming. I'm putting it on my YouTube, by the way. Okay, bye. Guys, can you even believe this? Seriously, like, I don't know what's wrong with this, my male friends. Like, they pretend this guy pretended he did not hear nothing. You feel me? Right now, like, it sounds real. And he was cool and, like, show me the medicine. Oh, that was so nice. Thank you so much. Having friends like this is good. Yes?
Yes, how are you?
I'm not fine. How are you?
I'm good. Did you receive treatment?
The treatment has caused for me serious diarrhea, and even my stomach is full of gases, just gassing anyhow, uncontrollable. So I don't know. The medicine. Yeah. So I don't even know what I'm going to do.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine as long as you're under treatment. With the right treatment, you'll be fine.
So you think I should continue with the medicine?
Continue with the medicine because you went to case clinic, correct?
Yeah.
That's a professional hospital. I don't think because at first they diagnosed you, isn't it?
In my stomach. So they gave me some medicine to reduce it to take for 2 weeks. But now since it's causing me this disaster, how will I continue with for 2 weeks like this?
Then you should ask them, you should come back, what if it's causing me this ABCD, what's next? Like, should I continue with this or not? But usually, since you have gas, I think it must be the right medicine for you.
Okay.
You just have to endure and take it, but of course, you also go back for review, for check. So you can tell them what you feel, how you feel about the drug.
Okay,
Maybe they can change it to something else.
I've been wanting to go since yesterday in the evening, but now my problem is this gassing anyhow. How will I go on border in public, like, and the sound is high? I don't know.
Like rumble in the stomach, eh?
Yeah. I don't.
You know, when you are suffering of something, health is health. You go there for assistance. You don't mind what people. Just go there. Just go there and do whatever. You don't mind. Don't mind what other people say in public.
Okay.
Because you need to be fine.
Okay. I will. Then I'll let you know. Eh? Let me call you back shortly.
I'm just Mukono in the garage. Thank you. The car.
Let me call you back shortly. Let me call you back shortly, eh?
Okay.
Guys, the network. Let me call her back. This is my colleague, guys. I call her short of like, let me now call her.
Hello.
Hi.
Merry Christmas. Thomas, good morning.
Yeah, this is not good morning for me. How are you?
Hey, Tom, why is not good morning?
My ulcer started me since the other day. Then I went to the hospital yesterday, and they gave me some medicine. They gave me some medicine because they were like, my stomach is having a lot of acid. Then now the medicine has caused for me some diarrhea, a lot of gases that I cannot even control.
Sorry. So you got some other treatment?
I just stopped the medicine because it was supposed to be for 2 weeks. Okay, let me get back to you.
Yes. Okay.
This is what I hate with this advertisement. Guys, they were disturbing my peace. Okay, let me call her back right now. Let me hope this advertisement will not kill me again. Jesus. I didn't know.
Yes, Maria.
So I just stopped medicine, but this medicine was supposed to be for 2 weeks, but now I don't know. How can I continue with the medicine? And it's causing me a lot of pain with these gases. I don't know.
How long have you taken it for now?
I only took yesterday in the afternoon.
So you just started. No, you continue taking it. Maybe that's the effect.
Oh. But I wanted to travel back today to dose of mom, but now with these gases, I don't know how am I going to sit in public like this, and I cannot control.
When I go to dose of mommy?
I want to go now. I wanted to go today.
Okay. So you haven't taken that for today?
No, I have not taken. I'm scared, and it's still continuing even if I did not take the medicine. That one of yesterday is still working on me.
No, maybe that's the first bloating that's happening. You can continue taking it. That's just the effect.
Okay.
Yeah, you take it, but now you need to take a lot of milk. Take a lot of fresh milk.
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
What am I?
Madam, how busy are you? Can I call you on video call?
It's fine, it's fine. Let me get my headsets.
Okay.
Alright.
She doesn't want people to hear the sound. Guys, she doesn't want other people to hear that sound. That's why she's like, let me get my headsets. Oh my god. Guys. She advised me to continue with the medicine. Maybe this is the first. My goodness. Guys, can you believe this? Can you even believe this? Okay. Guys, this woman told me she's going to find her earphones and she'll call me back. And she has not called back. I wanted to tell her it's a prank. Oh my god, she believed it. So guys, I think we got her. I'm going to let her know later, but for now, see you guys. Bye. See, she's offline completely. Helen, this is a prank. I'm sorry, my G. And this is a prank. Hello?
Maria.
Yes?
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
My dear, I just want to let you know. Look at my screen.
Yes.
I'm recording, so it was a prank. I'm just playing with you. So you believe You believe me? What was that sound really normal?
The sound was normal, but of course sometimes people's voices cannot detect whether they're sick or not. So you're fake, man. You're going to pay me for lying.
Guys, this guy is not serious. I called him. I played that, but he was still like acting cool. This guy must be a gentleman. Seriously, like he was not saying anything. Oh my goodness. Guys, let's call him back and tell him it is a prank.
Hello?
Yes? Sorry about...
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, sorry about the weird sounds. Yeah? You know, my stomach disturbing me, so... You guys, you are not serious, eh? You're acting cool. Anyway, I'm playing with you, eh? It's just some sounds, not real. I'm pranking you. I was expecting you to react or something, but you're just there like, there's nothing happening.
No, I was surprised how the stomach can sound like that. I didn't want to.
Oh my god, you're a gentleman. Thank you. I was expecting you to cut the call or something. Ah, Jesus. Okay, bye.
It's wrong to comment on something.
Ooh, Jesus. Guys, can you even believe this? Like, this guy act cool. No.